Hi, and welcome to Arrivait TV. My name is Chris Rivet, and today I am looking at how to find a good chiropractor in Burlington. With me on the line is Dr. Maher Obeid of the Healing Path in Burlington. Good day, Dr. Obeid.
Hello, how are you?
Good, thank you.
Good.
Now, the burning question that everyone has is, for an expert, as an expert in your field, how would you advise them to look for a good chiropractor in Burlington? What would be your top three things to look for?
Well, the big thing that we encourage people to do is when they're doing their search is to look into websites. I mean, the power of the internet these days as an education tool is a really big deal. So if you go onto a person's website, you're able to get better insight in terms of what their office is going to be like. It'll give you a big window to understanding what their office is, what their philosophy of care is, and so on. So that is a really big tool to educate yourself with that. The other thing is that it'll give you an idea about the different techniques that the chiropractor will use, and the better the techniques or the more techniques that are available, the bigger the toolkit is to treat with your specific condition. Followed by that, it's always really good to look into reviews of certain doctors. There's so many websites online, and not necessarily to stick to the specific reviews, but certainly to look into the number of positives versus negatives. And the more positive the reviews for a certain doctor, you could tell that overall then that they're a likable type of person, or their product or their care program is definitely of a benefit to you. So I would look at their reputation.
Okay, great. So you look at their website, what type of techniques they offer, and kind of how many reviews they have online.
Absolutely.
Okay, great. Now the next question here is, if someone was looking for a good chiropractor and they came across your office, what would be their experience when they came and dealt with you?
For sure. Well, we hope to always have it a pleasurable one when they look into the office. So typically when a person comes to our office on their initial visit, they'll start off by having a tour of our office. So they'll take a look at the facility itself. The more comfortable you are with surroundings, the more comfortable you are with the care. So we'd like to start you off by knowing where everything is in our office. Followed by that, we'll have a consultation. So we'll sit down, we'll chat about your condition. We'll see if there's anything else that we can help you with. If there is something, if it's a case that we're able to take on, then we would proceed with the next stage, which is your physical exam. So the physical examination is the part where we feel around in the spine itself, and then followed by that, we would continue into discussing the images that we're going to take. So we do these computerized scans to see where there's tension in the spine, to see if there's inflammation in the spine. Then we follow that up with the fact that we're looking at now, if we need to, into even further inside the body at digital x-rays. We get a full image of the x-rays themselves. Followed by that, we'll always look into combining all these results together, where we'll invite you back for a second visit, which is your report of findings. And during this time, we'll go over all your findings, exactly what the diagnosis is that we're providing you, and a care program if you choose to continue with the care at our office.
Okay, great. That sounds like a really comprehensive program put together. Okay, now, because of your expertise, how is the Healing Path different from your other competitors in the marketplace?
Well, we pride ourselves based on an education-based office. By that, I mean we aim to educate our patients about everything to do with their health. The more educated a patient is, the more independent they are of their care program. And by that we mean that if we help you understand what's happening, you'll even get a better understanding of what makes it better and how to make it better on your own, past your care. And that way you prevent any fallout or any reversal of your condition after your care program is discontinued or after you're done your initial visits. So we want to make sure that you understand and you learn and you're able to be taking care of your own decisions based on your own individual education.
Okay, great. Okay, super. Now I know you mentioned you do something special for new-time visitors. What do you offer new patients?
Absolutely. Well, what we do is we do a special program for them. So their initial visit is typically a $175 fee. That is their full examination, their consultation, there's computer scans and x-rays and reported findings. For anybody that's spent the time to listen to this interview and anybody that's researched the office further will receive the $67 fee, which is a discounted initial visit fee. So it discounts the initial fee tremendously and brings it down to a $67 fee, and that's our pleasure to provide that for them.
Okay, great. So if they contact your office, they can receive the $67 discount. Now, where can they get in touch with you?
Well, we're located in Burlington at Appleby Line and Dundas. So our phone number is the 905-333-9900. In addition, they can also visit us on our website, which is www.thehealingpath.ca. Lots of different avenues to reach us. We're always available, whether it's on the internet or in person. Our office location is located at 2435 Appleby Line. You're more than welcome to pop in or give us a call, whatever is easiest for you.
Great. Thank you very much, Dr. Obeid.
My pleasure.
It's been a great interview, and I'm sure it's going to educate a lot of people out there looking for a chiropractor in Burlington. So thank you very much, and have a great day.